Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with using the 20 EMA line and this is a moving average, and this moving average below the market showing the downtrend market and above the line showing the uptrend market. You can see this is uptrend market and this is a downtrend market. Let's see, use this moving average how to find the support and resistance level, how to find the reversal points I will show you, and this is a downtrend market. Okay, and where is the next reversal point? This is a reversal points. Okay, this is a buyer's area, and now this is a market momentum. Okay, let's make some seller rejection. Okay, I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Okay, and this is a very weak seller's entry previously, and this is a very strong buying force. Okay, that's why reason I place a higher option. You can see this is a seller's entry, now this is a buyer's entry. Now I am expecting make a this type of double bottom, so that's why reason I place a higher option. This is a very strong rejections, and this, so that's why reason I place a higher option. Okay, this is a market momentum, and there is a gap, huge gap. Okay, okay, it is make a doji candle. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll place a layer option, some margins separated. I'm expecting to make a rejection, touch the moving average, so that's why reason I place a layer option. And this is also a round number. I'm expecting very strong rejection, and this also rejections, this also rejections, and it's a moving average plus a reversal point, so that's the reason I place a layer option. Okay, you can see very strong rejection. Okay, we have 10 seconds only. Okay, this is a winning trade. I will check the next pair. Okay, I will place a layer option. After this bullish momentum, this is a strong Marbuji candle, so that's why reason I place a layer option only. Okay, I'm expecting make a retracement candle. Let's see. So I'm expecting this type of market. You can see previously buyers are very weak. After buyers very weak, enter the very strong candle. This strong candle, this is a Marbuj candle, and this is a momentum. Okay, so that's the reason I place a layer option. Let's see. You can see, try to enter the sellers. Okay, we have 5 seconds only. Okay, this also winning trade. So I'm using only candlestick psychology, and if you want pure candlestick psychology, contact on my WhatsApp. Zoom classes are also available. And this is a buyer's area. Now I am expecting, okay, we'll place a higher option, and this is a margin safety trade. There is a rejection, and this also rejection, and previously some buyers are very strongly enter the market, so that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, I'm expecting this candle closing point above my entry point. Okay, let's see. We have 5 seconds only. Okay, you can see this also rejection, and this also winning trade. Have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a lower option. It's a 50-50 chances. Now this is a very strong seller's entry, and now I am expecting seller's entry after continue the uptrend market. Okay, and this is a very strong selling force, make a new low. There is a gap, and this also selling force. So this is a sign of reversal or continue, but I am expecting make a bearish momentum. Why? Because this is a moving average, and next support level at here. After the touch the level, again going to continue the uptrend market. Okay, this is a market psychology, so that's why reason I place a lower option, and this also winning trade. So we have checked the next pair. Okay, we'll place a lower option. Okay, we'll place a lower option. You can see this uptrend market. Okay, now this type of market I'm expecting, so that's why reason I place a lower option. And previously some sellers are very strongly enter the market, so what I'm expecting, this candle behavior, this is a round number, enter the round number, touch and take the rejection, is going to make a bearish candle, so that's why reason I place a lower option. I'm expecting. Okay, this also winning trade, and next support level at here, and you can see very long support level. So the sellers covered in this gap after continue the uptrend market. Okay, and this also winning trade. Okay, I will place a 5 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.